This is Tony Victor, and I'll be reading excerpts from my upcoming book, Tabernacle in the Body of God, Restoring Lucius. Charon, the ferryman, is the hermit, key number 9 of the tarot, ushering us into the underworld. Here we meet with our judgment and necessary purification. The horn initiators lead us on the path of illumination by descent. In the sign of Virgo, ruled by Mercury, the deity wears the mask of the torchbearer. He sheds light on the impurities of humankind and guides us to a chance for evolution. The horn gods of initiation can be brutal, and their Plutonian energy often means complete death of one's own self-image. Charon is also related to the image of the angel of death, guiding souls to the underworld across a river Styx. The edge of the ecliptic in astrology is a symbolic edge of the physical reality and the subsequent realm of the dead. Once the underworld journey begins, there is no going back. The gates of the underworld are the walls of sleep. The life that we have has often been shaped into what we are at this moment. However, when we learn the art of observation, we ignite the internal alchemical flame of transmutation. Whether or not we understand how to use this principle as an active force of self-focus is a matter of determination and satisfaction with one's own existence or lack thereof. This is in terms of both materiality, spirituality, and whatever else is in between. The hermit stands atop a frozen mountain summit. The icy peak can be thought of as solid mercury. The quicksilver has frozen and become silver. Yet, even the hermit knows that he must die and be reborn. He knows the secrets of transmutation. The wisdom of the hermit does not come through age, but through rigorous study, consistent effort, and self-examination, an understanding of the internal elements and mechanics of his own machine, his physical body, the emotional dross, material attachments, and anything else associated with man's suffering must be tempered and purified in the primal animal soul. In theory, rather than the soul being subsumed into a vast energetic wasteland at the time of actual physical death, man learns to consciously die and shear away that which burdens his soul and binds him to materiality. The more will we have over our desire, the more we learn to consciously direct our intention towards the unity of purpose in the creation of the soul. Thanks for watching. Go to my project page at kundaliniquicksilver.com to find out how you can get this book and the tarot deck as a free gift. Like and subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram, Quicksilver Astrology. Thanks.